Hey guys, this is Paul from Nihilo Concepts in Stillward, Florida. And today I'm going to show you a new cool product, the Nihilo Concepts Air Port. The Nihilo Concepts Air Port is made out of thin, durable stainless steel. For KTM and GASGAS 85 models, we have two options available. The do-it-yourself kit for those who like to tinker with their own bikes, or we have a completed set, which allows you to simply remove your stock airbox cover and install the completed Nihilo Concepts Air Port airbox cover back on your bike. As simple as that. Here's a look at the do-it-yourself kit. It includes 3 rivets, 6 washers, the template, and the air port. These would be the tools required for the do-it-yourself kit. A power drill, a handsaw, a rivet gun, a fine tip marker, a step bit, and if you have an oscillating pneumatic saw. Installation is very simple. The first thing you want to do is take your template and your air port. Place the template on top of the air port so you know which side is which. Once you figure that out, put the air port on the side and locate your template on the preformed V shape on your stock airbox cover. Next, you want to line up the template with the V shape on the plastic, maintaining an equal space on the sides. It's very important to flip the plastic around and make sure that you're not going to drill right through this mounting post. Once you have it in the desired position and you know it's in a safe spot, you want to go ahead and trace the inside and then mark your 3 dots. Be very careful not to move it. Next, you want to drill holes on the upper 2 corners first so you can start cutting from there. Make sure to maintain some distance from the edge for a radius cut. Next, you want to start cutting the front line. You want to stop about an inch before you get down to the bottom. You want to flip it around and just make sure that you're not going to cut through the mounting post. The Nihilo Concepts Air Port is designed to perfectly fit on this molded triangular piece. Once you remove the centerpiece, you can finish off the inside part with some sandpaper or a file or even an X-Acto knife. You could even use the same bit to try to round off the edges. You operate the drill and apply a little pressure towards the plastic. You can use a little knife. Next, you want to drill the mounting holes for the rivets. If you happen to lose the holes during the cutting process, simply put the template back on again, make sure it fits perfect, and trace the holes again. For the bottom hole, just keep an eye in the mounting post in the back. And now we're ready to install our Nihilo Concepts Air Port. Now take your air port and just clean the holes a little bit so it's easy for the rivet to go through. Now go ahead and mount the air port onto the plastic. Start with any corner. Put 1 rivet through and put a 2nd rivet to hold it in place so it doesn't move while you're popping the first rivet. Install your 2 washers. Make sure you have the correct fitting on your rivet gun. In this case, it's a 1/8 of an inch rivet. And there you have it. Very fun and simple installation. Now I'm going to show you the hardest part. Put it on the bike. Besides the performance upgrade, it also gives the bike a factory look. And also for the big bikes, we have an air port that helps with shock cooling and ventilation. These universal air ports are available in different shapes and forms for all makes and models. That's how easy it was. I showed you the do-it-yourself procedure, but you can also get this cover already finished. It's readily available at nihiloconcepts.com. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.